Welcome to today's lecture, everyone. Our subject is Generative AI, a captivating domain within artificial intelligence. Today learning objective. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand what Generative AI is, its main models, its applications, and its limitations. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, is the field of computer science devoted to creating systems capable of performing tasks that require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. Types of AI. There are two broad types of AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition, and general AI can theoretically perform any intellectual task a human being can do. What is generative AI? Generative AI falls under the umbrella of AI. It refers to any AI solution that can create something new, be it a piece of artwork, a segment of text, or even a brand new melody. How does generative AI work? At a high level, generative AI works by learning the patterns in input data, and then creating new data that follow those same patterns. The AI is not just copying the data, but creating new, unique outputs that maintain the structure of the original input. Key concepts in generative AI, Part 1. Let's delve into some key concepts in generative AI. The first one is neural networks. A neural network is a series of algorithms that endeavors to recognize underlying relationships in a set of data through a process that mimics the way the human brain operates. Key concepts in generative AI, Part 2. Another important concept is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning where neural networks are expanded into sprawling networks with a huge number of layers that are trained using massive amounts of data. It's the foundation of most generative models. Key concepts in generative AI, Part 3. The last concept is training models. Training involves feeding data to a model and allowing it to adjust its internal parameters to minimize error. Over time, the model gets better at generating outputs that resemble the training data. Types of generative models, Part 1. One popular type of generative model is the Generative Adversarial Network, or GAN. A GAN consists of two parts, a generator, which produces images, and a discriminator, which tries to distinguish between real and generated images. The two parts work together to improve the quality of the generated images. Types of generative models, Part 2. Another type is the Variational Autoencoder, or VAE. A VAE is a type of autoencoder with added constraints on the encoded representations of the input data, leading to generation of more diverse and creative outputs. Applications of generative AI, Part 1. Generative AI has numerous exciting applications. In the realm of art and design, it can be used to generate new ideas for furniture, clothing, and even car designs. Applications of generative AI, Part 2. In the field of music, generative AI can be used to compose new melodies, while in the world of video games, it used to create new levels and characters. Applications of generative AI, Part 3. In medicine, generative AI can assist with drug discovery by generating potential drug molecules and predicting their properties. Applications of generative AI, Part 4. Moreover, in the field of journalism and writing, generative AI can help write articles or reports, especially for topics that involve a lot of data analysis. Limitations of generative AI, Part 1. As exciting as generative AI is, it also has its limitations. One of the major challenges is that generative AI requires massive amounts of data to be effective. Limitations of generative AI, Part 2. Another limitation is the difficulty in controlling the output. The AI can generate unexpected and sometimes undesirable results. Ethical considerations. We also need to discuss ethical considerations. Generative AI raises questions about originality and intellectual property. For instance, if an AI creates a painting, Who owns the rights to it? The future of generative AI. Despite these challenges, the future of generative AI is promising. It's an area of ongoing research with potential applications across many industries.